Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So firstly we have to enter the camera app, and since we are on the photo mode we have to switch to the video. So let's tap on the video, and if you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, then it means that for sure you are in the video mode. So now we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see, after taking a look on this option bar at the very top of it, we've got the bar with the video quality. So right now we've got 1080p option with 30 frames per second applied, and you can say it because this option is highlighted, it is marked in a yellow color. But you can also set 720p with 30 frames per second, 1080p with 60 frames per second, and also 4K with 30 frames per second. Obviously it's up to you which option you'd like to use, which option you'd like to apply. So in order to change the option, all you have to do is simply tap on the one you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, 4K. Let me tap on it. As you can see, the camera was blurred for a little while, and right now this option is highlighted, so it means that it has been successfully applied to our camera, and from now on you will record videos in chosen quality. So actually that's all. This is how to change video quality in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.